Hey everyone, this is Nick here, and I'm going to show you my DVD update 32. But it's a very sound of rain on the background. So, we have more American DVDs here. So we have a look at the first one, which is American Region 1, 101 Dalmatians. Which is the same Region 2 as the England. I want to get the Region 4 Australian one on DVD. Here's the front, plastic edition, the spine, and the back cover. And they're both which is DVD. Why not like to sing Following the Leader? Picture and sound, all new digital restoration with enchanted picture and sound. All new 5-1 Disney Enchanted Home Theatre. Surrounded sound, all new. Cruella de Vil music video performed by Selena Gomez. Games and activities. Sure donations. Game over 101 possibilities. Adopt, train and care for your very own puppy. Pop up trivial facts as you watch the movie. Discover over 101 things you never knew. 101 animations, fun with language games. A backstage. Renovating the line. The making of 101 Dalmatians. Sincerity. Yours, Walt Disney experience. The actual correspondence between Walt Disney and the author of the book, Cruella de Vil, True Too Bad to Be Bad. Discover the presentation behind Disney's most outrageous villain, deleted scenes and more. It's got full screen as well. The languages are English, French and Spanish. Right at the top. Here's disc 1. And disc 2, which is American Bone Feature. And it came with the leaflet on here. It's an advert for Sleeping Beauty, packed with wagging fun. Oh, go away. Stops. Cars. Adverts for DVDs. Adverts for food. Adverts for Jungle Book 2 and 101 Dalmatians 2 Passion Language, which I got that one. I want to get the Jungle Book 2 as well. And it's all going to stay. Okay, here's Disney Awards. That's the music. And I have an advert for food. I've got a picture of Cruella de Vil and toys in London. And a picture of the puppies. And it came with a DVD guide. Just got available on Plastic Edition. You can see Sleeping Beauty and Pinocchio. I wish I could have get that one, but I'm not going to get Sleeping Beauty anymore. It's boring. And you have languages, options, and all the scene selection. The next one is 101 Dalmatians 2 Patches of an Adventure, which featured the same thing as the UK for 2 of them, special edition. In England, Region 2, which I want to get the Region 4 one on the Australian version as well. So it's 101 Dalmatians. Here's the front. A charmer sure to please fans of the original classic. The spine, and the back cover. Again, there's both DVD on there. Behind the scenes documentary explore the production from the criminal point of view. Lost in London game. Yay! Be a hero, find the puppies on a fun-filled trip through London. Do the long word links. Thunderbolts and inside look. Tour the dressing room and watch his TV commercials, bloopers and outtakes. Yeah. Try again. Music video performed by Pop Logo. When are we all young? You're the one and you're the one. Music video performed by LMNT. So the languages are English and French. Everything's up. We have the disc right there. Came with a small booklet, that was for books. Dog and Fun with books from Random House. That's going to be finding online from with Mummy, with Daddy. Apples for Beauty and the Beast, which I'm going to get a reading on for my birthday. Save £20. There's for Spied Kids 2, which I'm going to get that one. The Island of Lost Dreams. And apples for Country Bears. That came with a little leaflet. Which got the book. Apples for 100 Dalmatians 2, and on the form it's about doggies. And it came with the leaflet and all the scene selections. I got a picture of lightning on the bottom, got bonus features, music videos. I'm going to do this later. And the next one is It's Going to Be an Engine, which features 7 episodes from Series 8 again, which has got the same Region 2 as the UK one. Here's the front, the spine, and there's the back cover. So their bonus features DVD on this one are Thomas's Cargo Challenge, Read to Race, If You're an Engine, Read a Long Story from Random House, Go to Gallery, Songs and More, and Web Fun. So the episodes are Too Hot for Thomas, Emily's Adventure, You Can Do It, Toby, Gordon Takes Charge, Edward the Great, James Goes Too Far, and Percy in a Magic Carpet. It's got all the 2 pictures on there. It's got a picture of Emily and picture from nice snapshot of Emily, Harvey and Emily from Emily's Adventure, and a picture from Toby from You Can Do It, Toby. It's quite cool. Open it up. Here's this. The next one is Thomas's SODOR Celebration. This is actually PP Parade, which is actually the UK one of PP Parade features for Thomas, which has got the same Region 2 one, which I want to get the Region 4 one on the Australian version. Should get a sticker chart for that. Here's the front for Thomas' 60th anniversary. The spine, and there's the back cover. which features 7 more episodes of Series 8 for the same UK. So their bonus features DVD on this one are Fun and Games Character Gallery, Read-Along Stories of Random House, Songs and More, Hidden Extras, Thomas's Storybook Adventure, Broken Tracks, Quarry Game, Random Docs Game, Thomas and the Trucks Game, and Station Decorations Game. So the episodes are Thomas Saves the Day, Don't Tell Thomas, Fish, Halloween, Spick and Span, Chickens to School, and Thomas and the Circus! Nice snapshot of Thomas, Arthur and Salty having a wash down for Fish, and a snapshot for Thomas as a surprise facing Thomas in the circus, which is kind of cool. Like he's going to be an engine. Open it up. Here we have this. And the next one is a Patient 8 movie of Call Your Engines, which features the same Region 2 of the UK, which got from England on my birthday when I was little, which is our second movie of the feature. Here's the front again, it has a feature note special. This is the spine, and there's the back cover. Its only movie is Call Your Engines. So the songs are Busy, trying to do things better, Together We Made It Happen, and the new engine roll call. Yes! So the bonus features on there. So their bonus features today are Call Your Engines game, Read Along Story of a Random House, Character Gallery, Deleted Scenes, Music Video, Dream Song Sing Along, Web Fun, and its extras. The characters are Thomas, Diesel Tent, Gordon, James, Emily, Percy and Toby. Open it up. Here we have the disc. It came with the leaflet of to read along stories from Diesel 10 Years Trouble, which I'm going to do that. The next one is Track Stars, which is actually the UK one of Tales on the Tracks, which has got the same thing of Region 2 from Series 8, and we've got all 8 episodes from Series 8. So there's 6 episodes from Series 8. Here's the front, the spine, Universal, and there's the back cover. There's no episodes on the back. We have DVD extra fun. The bonus features DVD are 6 Thomas and Friends stories, 2 songs and more, and 2 fun games. I've got the read-along story, I believe the Gordon stories. Open it up. Here's the disc. I've got the mirror on it. Hello. And it came with the DVD guide I made for it. Oh, it's a bit ripped on the bottom. So the episodes are Thomas Gets It Right, Emily's New Route, Percy's Big Mistake, As Good as Gordon, James Gets a New Coat, and Thomas, Emily and the Snowplow. It came with a small leaflet. Read along story about if you for Gordon. If we're going to do that. So the next one is Come Ride the Rails, which features the UK off Together on the Tracks, which got the same Region 2 one from Season 9, which features 6 episodes in Season 9. Here's the front, it's got Come Ride the Rails, yes. The spine, and there's the back cover. Got bonus features DVD are Toby's Day Out, Scene Seals, Sir Tom and Hat's Helping Hand, Percy's Favourite Thing, and Gordon's Gallery. So the episodes are Molly's Special, Respect for Gordon, Emily Knows Best, Saving Oakwood, Renee's and the Dinosaur, Arr! And Thomas and the Golden Eagle. Open it up. Is this? The languages are English and Spanish. And the next one is Milkshake Muddle, which is the UK one on Track for Adventure. Which got the same region. Which has got the same region 2-1 as the UK of season 9 as well. Which features 6 more episodes of season 9. Here's the front, the spine, and the back cover. And there were no beneficiaries DVD. Oh, there's some interesting menus. Get on board for more adventures with Thomas and meet the newest engines, Mighty Mac and Neville. Ride along with as the counter new trucks and the old mine and the ice cream factory sees and see how they muddle their way through 6 thrilling episodes. And the languages are English and Spanish again. I can ride the rails, right? Here. That's the same thing. Open it up. Here is the disc, and it came with the leaflet, which is a bit ripped on the side. Adverts for Thomas Toys, Whitney Railway, and some drawings. I was going to get Toby, Arthur, Murdoch, Fergus, Take and Play, Timothy, and Minnie. Adverts for books. That's the Thomas website. And stuff. And there's an activity. And it came with the entertainment leaflet from 2006 and 2007, which features an advert for other Thomas DVDs, which are gonna get to Tales from the Tracks, and I've got Track Stars. As for toys, for Toby Trains. Adverts for birthday cakes and lid pads, which are Polar's little. So I got that one last little, and another little as well. Adverts for other Barney DVDs. Angelina Ballerina. Bob the Builder, and the Wiggles. Give us the charts of Disney. Got Monday, Barney, Thomas, Bob the Builder, Aswald. Tuesday, Barney, Thomas and Friends, the Wiggles, Angelina Ballerina. Barney, Thomas, yes. Wednesday, Barney, Thomas, Bob the Builder. Thursday, Barney, Thomas, Wiggles, Angelina Ballerina. Friday, Barney, Ramadubbers, Bob the Builder. Saturday, Barney, Thomas, Aswald, Bob the Builder. Barney, Thomas, Aswald, Bob the Builder and Wiggles. On Sunday, Wiggles and Bob the Builder. And it came with the DVD guide I made for it. What the episodes are: Thomas's New Trucks, Don't Get in the Old Mine, Thomas's Milkshake Muddle, Mighty Mac, Toby Feels Left Out, and Thomas's New Engine. We're going to do new videos with Thomas later. The next one is Thomas and the Toy Workshop. Which we choose. Six episodes of series 9. Here's the front, the spine, and there's the back cover. The bonus features in this DVD are 6 fun-filled episodes, 2 sing-along songs, Be Brave and Angel Well Cool, DVD game, Paint by Colour, and Character Cube. It says Character Gallery, but it's actually Character Cube. It's got there. Thomas and Percy and their friends learn about the spirit of SODOR and the secrets of the cliffs, joining them as they prepare for the grand opening of the toy workshop and find out lies at the end of the rainbow. So the language is English. Open it up. Here's the disc. See the mirror again. And it came with the DVD guide I made for it. We have the episodes on there are Thomas and the Statue, Henry and the Flagpole, Bold and Brave, Thomas and the Toy Workshop, Percy and the Oil Painting, and Thomas and the Rainbow. And the final one I've got is Thomas and the Treasure. Arrgh! Shiver me timbers! Which features one, two, three, 4 episodes from series 10 and 2 episodes from series 9. Here's the front, the spine, and the back cover. And the bonus features in this DVD are 6 fun-filled episodes, 2 sing-along songs, colouring sheets, and a character cube. And it says, when Salty tells the story about a lost pirate treasure on the island of SODOR, Thomas sets out to discover if it's really true. Meanwhile, Dennis, the new diesel engine, is playing tricks as Henry tries to prove that he is the strongest engine on the island of SODOR. Open it up. Here's the disc. It came with the leaflet. Got the episodes on there are. The episodes on that one are Thomas and the Treasure, Duncan's Bluff, Scarlet the Brave, Big Strong Henry, Thomas's Day Off, and Seeing the Sights. The 2 songs are Strength and Engine Well Cool. Came with the Thomas Club on the back, on the top. Right, that's all the DVD update I've got. I'll see you later for another one. Bye!